Hello everyone, my name is Arthur Mata. I am doing register number UR15CH051. Today I am doing my sixth C++ lab experiment. The topic is operator overloading. So today's question is write a C++ program to create a class called date accept two valid dates in the format dd Implement the following operations by overloading the following operators plus and minus after every operation. Display the result by overloading the operator and left shift. Now, first, the number of days equal to d1 minus d2, where d1 and d2 are date objects, and d1 greater than equal to d2, and number of days is an integer, and d2 equal to d1 minus number of days, where d1 is a date object and number of days is an integer. Now we'll see the code for this program. This is the first we declare the header files and then we initialize global variable c which is equal to 0, and then we declare an array of size 12 with values 31, 28, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Then we create a class date with variables day, month and year all of integer type, and we start public, and then we create the first function get data which asks the user to enter the date and it is stored in day, the month is in a month and the year in year. Then we start the operator overloaded function subtract, and we bypass by parameter d which is a type of class date, which is actually object of the class date, and inside we take declare variable month 2 which is equal to d's get m function minus 1, and then we call year 2 which is d's get y function, and the day 2 which is equal to d's get d function, and again we initialize variables I, Y, M, DM, EM and J. Then we initialize y equal to year minus year 2. Then we check a condition if y is equal to 0. Initialize m is equal to month minus month 2 and m is equal to m plus 1. Else if y equal to 1, we initialize dm is equal to 12 minus month 2 and m equal to dm plus month plus 1. Else if y is greater than equal to 2 and month is greater than month 2, then em is equal to 12 into y and dm is equal to 12 minus month 2 and m is equal to em plus dm plus month plus 1. As if y greater than equal to 2, em is equal to 12 into y minus 1 and dm is equal to 12 minus month 2 and m is equal to em plus dm plus month plus 1. Then we start a loop I which start a loop j which goes from 1 to less than equal to m minus 2, and inside it another loop I is equal to day 2 and it goes to less than equal to arr of month 2, and inside it we initialize c with c by incrementing c with 1, and outside the first loop we increment month with 1, and then we check a condition if month is greater than equal to 12, we initialize month to equal to 0 and day 2 equal to 1, and we close the second loop. There we do c is equal to c plus day minus 1 and then we return c. Then we start the int getY method which returns the value of year, the getD function which returns the value of day, and the getM function which returns the value of month. Then and we end the class there. Then we start the main method, and then we create the objects d1 and d2 for date, and then we initialize the variable number of days. Then we call d1's get data function and d2's get data function, and the number of days is calculated by d2 minus d1, and this is the operator overloaded call for the overloaded function, and then we display that the number of days between them are and number of days. Now we'll see the output for this code. So it's asking us to enter the date. We'll enter as 4, month is 6 and the year is 2014, and the second date we'll enter as 23 4 2016. So the number of days between them are 688, so we can say that our code is running correctly and the program has been executed successfully. So this is the end of this video.